Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we learn the fundamentals of percentage and its application. First we learn to convert a fraction and decimal into a percentage. For this, first we learn the rule. In order to convert a fraction and decimal into the percentage, we multiplying them by 100 and put the symbol percentage. Now we understand this by the sum. Here 24 by 100. To convert the 24 by 100, first we multiply the 24 by 100, multiply by 100 and put the symbol of percentage is equal to 24%, which is our answer. Now we find the percentage of 7 by 20. We multiply the 7 by 20 by the 100 and we put the symbol of percentage is equal to 25 is 100 is equal to 7 multiplied by 5 percentage is equal to 35 percentage is our answer. Now 11 by 25 is equal to 11 by 25 multiply by 100%. Now 25 fours are 100 is equal to 11 multiplied by 4% is equal to 44% is our answer. Now 12 by 50 is equal to 12 by 50 multiply by 100%. Now 15 to the 100 is equal to 12 multiply by 2% is equal to 24%, which is our answer. Now friends, we learn to convert a percentage in a fraction and a decimal. First we learn the rules for this. We divide the given number by 100 and drop the sign of percentage. For example, x% is equal to x by 100. Now we learn to convert into decimal. This we learn by some example. Here 55%. We convert this percent into the decimal. Therefore 55% is equal to 55 divided by 100 is equal to 0.55, which is our answer. 0.55 is a decimal form of the 55%. Now 30% is equal to 30 by 100 is equal to 3 by 10 is equal to 0.3. 0.3 is our answer, which is a decimal form of 30%. Now 75% is equal to 75 divided by 100 is equal to 0.75 is our answer. 0.75 is a decimal form of 75%. Now 40% is equal to 40 divided by 100 is equal to 4 by 10 is equal to 0.4. 0.4 is our answer, which is a decimal form of 40%. Now we will learn express percentage as ratio. For this we learn first rule. To convert the percentage into a fraction in simplest form and the change to a ratio. Now we will learn this by some example. We convert the 50% as in the ratio form. Now 15% is equal to 15 by 100. Now we convert these into the lowest form. Now 15 by 100, 5 3s are 15, 25 is 100 is equal to 5 multiplied by 3 divided by 20 multiplied by 5. 5 cut is equal to 3 divided by 20 is equal to 3 raised to 20, which is our ratio form. Now 20 percentage is equal to 20 divided by 100 is equal to 2 by 10. Now 2 5s are 10 is equal to 1 by 5 is equal to 1 raised to 5, which is our ratio form. Now 7.3 is equal to 7.3 divided by 100 is equal to 73 divided by 10 multiplied by 100 is equal to 73 divided by 1000 is equal to 73 raised to 1000, which is our ratio form. Now 25% is equal to 25 divided by 100 is equal to 25 fours are 100 is equal to 1 divided by 4 is equal to 1 raised to 4 is our ratio form. Now we solve the sum problems. First we find the 20% of 250. Now 20% is equal to 20 by 100 multiplied by 250 is equal to 2 multiplied by 25 is equal to 50, which is our answer. Now we find the 1% of 1 hour. Now 1 hour is equal to 3600 second. Now 1% is equal to 1 by 100 multiplied by 3600 second is equal to 36 second, which is 1% of 1 hour. Now 30% of 600 is equal to 30 divided by 100 multiplied by rupees 600 is equal to 30 multiplied by 6 is equal to rupees 180, which is 30% of 600. Now 20% of 80 kg is equal to 20 by 100 multiplied by 80 kg is equal to 2 multiplied by 8 kg is equal to 16 kg. Now in this sum we find the 30% of rupees 600, and in this sum we find the 20% of 80 kg. We will learn some fundamental example of percentage. In first example, we find the whole quantity if 80% of it is 560. Let whole quantity be x. Now 80% of x is equal to 560. Now 80% of x is equal to 560. Therefore 80% divided by 100 multiplied by x is equal to 560. Therefore x is equal to 560 multiplied by 100 divided by 80 Therefore, x is equal to 700. Hence, the whole quantity is 700, which is our answer. Now, in second problem, we find the whole quantity if 7% of it is 35 liters. Let the whole quantity be x. Therefore, 7% of x is equal to 35 liter. Therefore, 7 by 100 multiplied by x is equal to 35 liter. Therefore, x is equal to 35 multiplied by 100 divided by 7. 7 5s are 35. Therefore, x is equal to 500. The whole quantity is 500, which is our answer. Now we will learn what percentage of 72 is a 9. Let x% of 72 be 9. Therefore, x by 100 multiplied by 72 is equal to 9. Therefore, x by 100 is equal to 9 by 72. Therefore, x is equal to 9 multiplied by 100 divided by 72 is equal to 25 by 2 is equal to 12 into 1 by 2, which is our answer. Now we will find what percentage of 80 kg is 6. Let the x percentage of 80 kg be 6 kg. Therefore, x by 100 multiplied by 80 is equal to 6. Therefore, x is equal to 6 multiplied by 100 divided by 80. Is equal to 3 by 4 multiplied by 10. Is equal to 15 by 2. Is equal to 7 into 1 by 2,